afternoon, and good night. It's another brand new beautiful day to give thanks that we are up and alive and it's beautiful and sunny outside. It's early in the morning and your girl is up. It's the day after Sarah's birthday and babe and papa is still sleeping. I am up because Tyler woke me up extra early. Mom, I'm not feeling well, so I had to wake up and look after Tyler this morning, and because Tyler woke me up, then Sarah heard and wake up, so I've been up since about 7:30 with both of them. So I decided, hey, let's make the boys some breakfast while they sleep. So I'm here in the kitchen making some pancakes until they wake up. So that's what's up right now. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. The kids are here taking their time and eat too. Yeah, but today is going to be cruise control for me because I'm still tired from yesterday. But hopefully you guys are doing well though, and if you haven't seen Sarah's birthday vlog yesterday, then go and watch Sarah's birthday vlog after you finish done watching this one. Anyway, you guys, if it's your first on the channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and enjoy the rest of today's vlog. You guys will see everybody as the day progresses. Papa is leaving today, so I'm sure you guys will get to see him at some point before he leave out. So stick and stay, and we'll see you guys for the rest of today. Our day, as I tell you guys this morning, Papa is leaving today. They went to the swimming pool. Well, I ended up going to the swimming pool too because Sarah was just down there crying for mama and didn't want to stay with Papa, so I ended up had to go to the swimming pool. We are here about to have lunch, having some wine before we do that. You guys wondering where the wine is? It's here. Once my father-in-law is here, drinking wine and champagne is a must. It's in the drawer. So that's what we're doing before we have lunch. I already made salad for lunch. So in the drawer, babe.
No, but I mean,
Honey, it's in the drawer. In a big blue bag, just like the other rest of the snack. Anyway, you guys, Sarah is done for a nap. Tyler and Papi playing games as usual. Look at this here just sticking out though right here, so it's so annoying. And I'm here multitasking, working and doing what Mel does. Let me see who's going this game. They played Misty Grey. So whoever get the grey cat last lose. Tyler lost. Champion puppy. Skinny boy. Back to a normal day in this household, trying to recover from the long weekend, and I am actually here after Papa left. Papa is gone, actually reached home. I'm trying to get dinner together for the fam bam. So yeah. We're cleaning up the leftovers, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of everything today. for dinner. So let us eat. You guys were enjoying the last of sour cake before it finished. It's almost finished. It's almost done.
And it was licking finger good.
Agreed. Licking finger good. Even Sarah says so. Look at Sarah. Sarah have a butterfly in her hand.
A butterfly?
Ah. It's so good. So Sarah cake is called trois chocolat. It's 3 chocolates. So you have the dark chocolate, the mild, the brown, and then the white chocolate is so good. But all the sugar shorty right here, that's fondant. Fun. She's running from Tyler.
Guerrier dragon. Guerrier dragon. Guerrier dragon. Guerrier dragon.
Tyler, Ty. You're too loud.
Tyler?
Tell him say too loud 2 seconds ago.
What you gonna do with him?
To take. It's not coming home.
Ludovic is not here tonight, so I'm here to substitute him. How are you? It's coming home. Why this girl is laughing while I didn't say anything? Should I have something to move my mouth? How are you?
That's something. That's a good idea to get him for his birthday. A puppet.
How
so
are
he can
you?
Put his feet, his hand in it and make it move. It'll fit you. You can go make us some extra cash with a puppet. You'll do well.
Can you go get me a brush? I need to brush my teeth.
But Jesus.
Hi! We have a new friend. Should put his hand on.
Oh, Sarah come see you with her elbow, make she do a video. Oh my god.
Want to give me a kiss?
No.
You want to kiss the elbow?
No.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Should I say good night? Is a next day, is after midnight. Is
which
midnight.
Next day?
And 20 minutes. We stay up because the game was long. Sorry England, you lost.
To our British viewers.
Congratulations Italy, you won.
I think he was going to say congratulations England, you lost.
I'm not that silly.
Oh yes you are.
I'm not that silly.
Yes you are, honey.
Am I?
Yeah.
I'm not that silly. I say congratulations to the winner and good game, sorry, good games for the loser. So sorry, good game loser, and congratulations winner.
Deep down, I wanted England to
Yeah,
win.
she wanted. When
wanted
the man missed the penalty, she was
holding my head. I really
I didn't
wanted
really
her
have
to
any team that I prefer to win.
I know,
I was-
but
I
you
really
just didn't
didn't-
want England to win.
Yeah, we make a bet at work, so I wanted to cheer on Hurricane to score, but just to score. I didn't care about the final result, so I didn't really cheer for one team. So well, I won't say the best team I've lost because we all know that the best team was France. So
I'll say that too, eh?
we see all of you next year for the World Cup.
So about Olympics?
Then they're not gonna play Olympic.
No, they're sending rookies to Olympics.
Yeah, okay. It's only
Oh,
rookie going to
okay.
Olympic. So well, next big thing will be Olympic for all of the other sports. Jamaica will have a chance. You think Jamaica will get a medal?
In Olympic?
Yeah,
Maybe.
maybe
Never
maybe a bronze
underestimate
medal.
Manito country.
Yeah, maybe they get a bronze medal.
Goal we say.
You
With
see that,
golden.
the swimmer? What's her
Of
name? I don't
course,
remember her name.
Alison.
Alison, what's her last name?
What's your name again? Oh Lord.
That's the only sport that I remember
She's
that
there
I saw.
since a long time.
Yeah, she's
and
there
she ain't going
since.
nowhere. And now we have a diver, the boy Johan. He did well the last time.
Okay,
too.
so you have a sport that Jamaican is there except track and swimming.
Yes.
What do you have?
No, I can't think right now. But
Me neither know.
we're in every little thing.
No, that's big thing I'm talking about, not little thing.
We're there. We're in swimming. We're in diving. I don't know what else we're in Olympics. I can't think of it from my head. Oh, you don't
Karate?
know
Maybe
we're,
in karate?
no, we're not in karate.
Taekwondo?
But you don't know we're on the track, so
They
we
run the
rule
track.
the track.
They rule the track.
So, y'all already know what it is. And
Well,
Olympic
guys.
this year, take a shot.
Yeah, cheer Jamaica or you're
But
cheering another
mama,
country?
listen,
Or you're
I am
cheering
making
England?
sure when I pack for vacation, I'm packing my flag in my backpack.
So what you're gonna do is that?
I mean, what I'm gonna do with that?
Yeah.
It'll be everywhere with me. Taking pictures on every high peaks
You
and
are
mountains.
everywhere. Yeah, Jamaican. Yeah, a true Jamaican
To the bone.
to the bone.
To the bone.
Smell Jamaica.
It's time to send him to his bed.
Yeah,
Everybody's
anyway, guys,
new friend.
I hope you had a good day.
Yes,
I was thinking go to bed with this the way you're going to bed with your teddy bear. And I can picture this thing in without the night
Oh,
starting
no.
to talk. Hey guys, don't forget I'm here.
You guys, all good things must come to an end. It's the end of an amazing weekend.
That
And
was.
Elmo is annoying me, please. It's the end of an amazing weekend and the last guest left today. Yeah, we're just gonna end the vlog. Babe, you and Elmo, please.
You're
End the
annoying her.
vlog.
Well, I'm gonna put my little Elmo on the side. I'm coming back for you, okay? Don't be sad. So we all had a wonderful weekend. I thank again my dad for coming. For coming here for the weekend. We went to the pool today. We spent some times. We watched TV. We rest, and yeah, hope you all enjoy to the vlog. And
I
let's go
deserve
for-
2 days in the week to sleep and do nothing. So
yeah, you can do
please
that
just
tomorrow.
take care of your
and
picnic them and
you
leave
can do
me
that
alone.
tomorrow and Thursday, or Thursday and Friday. You can go to sleep all day.
Anyway, you guys.